Why is competition for water resources growing? Climate change and increased demand mean water is becoming scarcer. In the south of Europe, rivers and their tributaries face severe stress. And in Central and Eastern Europe, more droughts are predicted. Nearly half of the world's surface waters are shared by at least 2 countries or more. Europe has the highest number of communal river basins. That's the river and all the streams that flow into it. Many EU countries rely heavily on water that originates outside their borders. The Danube flows through several countries, including Germany, Slovakia, Moldova and Ukraine. The Danube River Protection Convention is the main framework for the Danube River Basin. Signed in 1994, it covers conserving and rational use of the water, flood prevention and pollution. The EU supports the UN's Water Convention and also regulates transboundary cooperation through laws including the Water Framework Directive and Floods Directive, all designed to boost water diplomacy and ensure common water is shared fairly.